In this video I will discuss about a new TRS mining site. In this site you can earn lots of TRS by the cloud mining. So first of all click on description, then after you will see website link now and you will see the system interface. In this page you can sign up your account. So first of all enter a mobile number, then enter email, then enter password, then enter security pass, then enter my invite code, then enter verification code, then click on the register now. After signing up your account you will see this type interface. In this page you can see the latest announcement of the website. So you can see you will get 8000 TRS at the signing bonus. Minimum deposit is 10 TRS and minimum withdrawal is 5 TRS. Daily earning can be reinvested or withdraws. Official links also you can see here. So you can see the following will be introduced: mining investment, cycle investment and investment reward. So you can see in the mining investment after recharging successfully, choose to join the mining and enter the investment amount. Earning will be issued at 12 noon every day Singapore time, and you need to enter the next page to collect the income every day. The end of the cycle, the principal. So you can see in the second VIP, if you reach up the 10 TRS to 1000 TRS, daily withdrawal is 5%. Okay, and you can see in the VIP 3, if you reach up with the 1000 TRS to 5000 TRS, daily withdrawal is 7%, and in the VIP 4, if you reach up with the 5000 TRS to 20000 TRS, daily withdrawal is 10%. Okay, so you can see all the details of the plans. Okay, so you can see in the cycle investment financial project, no need to click to receive income every day. The end of the cycle, the principal plus income will be automatically settled. You need to click to receive. Okay, so you can see in the referral system, in the first level you will get 13% commission, and in the level 2 you will get 2% commission, and in the level 3 you will get 1% commission. Okay, so now close, and you can see many options like recharge, withdrawals, app, team, many options you can see here. Okay, now I will tell you how to recharge. Now click on the recharge, then you can see there is many types of recharge. Okay, so now click on the TRX. Okay, so now copy this address, then open your wallet. Now paste your wallet, then click on the next button. So guys, now recharging with the, so you can recharge according to your budget. Guys, after transfer money, click on the recharge complete, then your amount will be added. Okay, so now I will tell you how to invest in the mining. So now click on the tradings. Okay, so you can see there is all the details of the trading. So you can see in the first VIP you will get daily 5% withdrawal, and you can see investment amount is 10 TRS to 1000 TRS. So now click on the confirm, and guys after investment then click on the get. So guys then you can get your incomes. Okay, so this time you can get your incomes. Now I will tell you how to get invest in the mining. So now click on the invest mining. Okay, so right now enter amount, then enter what it is. Okay, now enter amount, then enter security password. Guys I am investing 3110 TRX. Okay, so now enter your amount, then enter your password, then click on the confirmation screen. My investment is successfully confirmed. So this time you can invest in the minings. Okay, now I will tell you how to invest in cycle. So now click on investment. So in this page you can see all the details of the cycle. So you can see in the first cycle the start amount is 10 TRX, and the maximum investment amount is 50,000 TRX. Okay, and cycle for the 3 days, and you can see daily interest rate is 5.4%. Okay, so you can see 3.4%. Okay, so you can see in the second cycle the start amount is 500 TRX. Okay, cycle for the 7 days, daily interest rate is 4.1%. Okay, and in the third cycle start amount is 3000 TRX, cycle for the 15 days, and daily interest rate is 5.1%. Okay, so you can see in the third cycle start amount is 10,000 TRS, cycle for the 30 days, and daily interest rate is 5.5%, 50%. Okay, now I will tell you how to invest. Now here, so guys I am just investing 3110 TRS. So now enter your investment amount, then enter security password. Guys after 50 days click on the confirm, and you can see on the screen my investment is successfully confirmed. Okay, so guys after end of the cycle 3 days, then you can get your principal plus income will be in the account, then you can withdraw easily. Okay, so this type can invest in the mining and investment account. Okay, so guys this is the best website. So if you want to earn lots of TRS, you can invest in that. Okay, so in the financial record you can see all the details about the investment plans. Okay, so now I will tell you how to enroll commission. So guys, first of all click the share. Guys, if you invite your referring friend we get commission. So guys, now copy your link and your friends. Okay, so guys, now click the team. Guys, in the team you can see all the details of the team. So in the first level you will get 13% commissions. Okay, and guys in the third level you will get in the teams as you can see all details. You can see in the first level you will get 13% commission, and in the second level you will get 2% commission, and in the third level you will get 1% commission. Okay, and you can see all the details of the team like account number, finance, TRS, join date, all the details of the team. Now I will tell you how to withdraw commission. Now click in the withdrawals. Okay, so in the withdrawal section, if you want to withdraw commission, so now enter your amount, then enter for details, then enter security password. Guys, after fill details you can withdraw commission. So guys, I completed explain or this. So guys, if you want Johnson you can sign up. Here comes your link and you can earn lots of tiers in this circuit. So find website in the description, go and check it out.